Grateful or hateful? We can choose to be angry or we can choose to be grateful. Ano ba ibig kong sabihin? There are a lot of things in life that we hate. We hate traffic. You may hate some people. You may hate your situation right now. And you may hate how other people are treating you. Pero ano nga ba ang magagawa mo sa mga bagay na kinakagalit mo? Kasi if you choose to hate, masisira buong araw mo. Madadamay pa yung ibang tao. At parati kang galit at nakasimangot. But if you choose to be grateful, it won't be easy. It takes some effort also to be grateful. So kung may kinaiinisan ka, maybe you can start to think, this person will help me develop the virtue of patience. If you're stuck in traffic, which you hate the most, tipin mo na lang, pwedeng-pwede akong magdasal during this traffic. If you hate the situation you're in right now, think of it as strengthening. Kasi sabi nga nila, whatever doesn't kill you can only make you stronger. Ang importante, punuin mo yung puso mo ng gratefulness instead of hate because it manifests in your life. Lumalabas yan sa bibig mo. At minsan, magkakasakit ka pa dahil dyan. Kaya be grateful despite going through a difficult situation. The root of gratefulness is relationship with God. Doon talaga nagsisimula lahat. Pag nawala yung Diyos sa buhay mo, there are so many reasons to be hateful. Pero if God is in your life, mas makikita mo na mas marami kang blessings kaysa sa mga bagay na ayaw mo sa buhay mo. At kahit minsan mahirap, magpasalamat pa rin sa Diyos. Kaya stop the hate and start being grateful.